I'll show you a quick and easy way how you can launch your own meme coin. Now I'm gonna use a website called coinfast.click. Now, coinfast.click is basically creating your own token on Solana. Now here, for example, I'm gonna give it my own token here. I'm gonna call it example musician, and the token symbol is gonna be, well, gem, for example. I'm gonna give it a gem token here. Now let's give it a token logo as well. Let me give it real quick. Now I've uploaded my token logo here. It's just a emoji of a number 10. It's just an example. It's just a placeholder. But once you have this, just click on next. Now in here, just add in your decimals. So between a 0 and an 18, I'm just going to give it a 9. There is a total supply that you can modify as well. There's also a description as well. I'm just going to type in test token, something like this, because of course, we're just going to do tests. I'm going to click on next. And here it is. You just have to add in your social. Now, you do need to add in your website, your Telegram, your Twitter, your Discord. You also need to add in your creator website as well. And then you do have to look at all of these as well. So revoke freeze authority, mint authority, and update authority. And you can also promote your token directly on the start page of CoinFast for about 24 hours for 0.05 Solana. And you do need to pay a little for the token here. You can see if you want to add socials, it's free. But if you want to modify the content creator here, you do need to add about 0.05 Solana. If you don't want any of these, you can just turn it off, and here you go. You can see if we just keep it at socials here, just add in your socials like your Telegram, your website, your Twitter, and your Discord. After you're happy with all of that, just click on to create token, and then you can promote it. You can give it out to the public so you can make money fast. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.